Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to capitalize letters in Google Docs. Now we're talking about auto capitalization and also how to change the case of letters. So if you want to type in full uppercase or full lowercase, or you want to do auto capitalization of letters, then I'm going to show you how to do both. Of course, the manual way for you to start this is to do this yourself. So if you're going to type a word within Google Docs and you want to type an uppercase letter, let's say I want to type hi, I just need to press the shift on my keyboard and press the letter H, and it will put that in uppercase, and then I can type the rest of the word. Now, another way by going about capitalizing letters is by turning on auto capitalize, right? And that is on by default, but in case you don't see that, you can easily go to your tools and go to preferences. Then you will see the first option under the list on the general that says automatically capitalize words. That simply means that when you start to type a first word into a sentence, let's say I want to type hi, you will see that it put it in the first word, right? So if I go ahead and I type Andrew, you will see it does the same thing. So that's the auto capitalize. Now, another way to do this is by simple doing the uppercase capitalize. And this can be done two ways. You can do this manually. So let's say you're going to type a sentence, or you're going to type hello and you want to type that in uppercase. You want to ensure that you press caps lock on your keyboard and you can simply type hello and it will be in uppercase. That's the manual way how to start that. Now, what if you already have some kind of document on your Google Docs here and it's already in different case and you want to make all of this uppercase? Let's say I want the address and the time and date here at the top to be in uppercase. All I have to do is ensure that I select the text, then go to format, go down to text, then capitalize, and then I can choose what I want. So all I have to do is just press uppercase, and as you can see, it converts all of this text into uppercase for me. So that's how you can do it, and you can do it for whatever. So if I don't want it in uppercase, as you see there under the format text, you have other options as well, lowercase, title case. So if I want title case, I can do the same as well. And that's it, guys. That's how to make capital letters in Google Docs. You get it. You can do it the manual way by simple pressing shift and press the letter on your keyboard, or turn on your caps lock to write everything in uppercase, or you can simply go ahead and type that the way you want on your keyboard. Or if you already have text in your document, you can simply highlight the text to whatever you want and then simply go ahead and go to format, then text, down to capitalization, and choose what you want, and that will do it for you. That's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Guys, I want to ask you a small favor. In case you're new to the channel, I really appreciate if you take a moment to subscribe to the channel. Really help this channel grow. Appreciate it so much. Give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below what you think, if this was helpful for you. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.